As the holiday season approaches, the spirit of giving fills the air. One important aspect of gift giving is the presentation. Let me guide you in transforming your gift wrapping from ordinary to extraordinary, leaving your lucky recipients in awe with a few simple yet elegant touches.
Here are a few supplies you will need: brown paper, fabric ribbon, holiday twine, and any foliage and botanicals you can find in your garden. Don't forget scissors, clear tape, and an optional hot glue gun. To start, trim your brown paper to size and begin wrapping your gift, securing it with tape. Brown paper is great. Not only is it eco-friendly, but it also adds a rustic charm to your gifts. Next, add a band of fabric ribbon and secure it with tape or a dab of hot glue. Pair it with a touch of holiday twine for a festive look and finish with a simple bow knot.
To elevate your wrapping even further, incorporate foliage or local botanicals. At our farm, we have Brazilian pepper tree with stunning rose-colored berries and Deodara Cedar Rose Cones that will add a unique touch to your gifts. For those feeling crafty, consider adding a loop of twine with a small dab of hot glue to create a charming ornament. Spread the joy of botanicals this holiday season. Discover how we're cultivating rainbows at our little flower farm and join us on YouTube at Turbow Farms. Let's make this holiday season truly magical. Flowers or bust.